Great! I cannot believe I got fired at Ledo's Pizza for being rude to the customers. Anyways, this is the 21st time I have been fired. Where should I work at next? I know! I'm going to work at Edward's Drive-In. Welcome to Edward's Drive-In. How may I help you? I would like the Italian beef sandwich, medium fries, and a large Coke. I'm sorry, but the Italian beef sandwich is currently sold out at the moment. Oh, no, it's not. I can see some Italian beef sandwiches in the kitchen. Those are just the BLTs you are seeing. Get out of here right now. That's it. I'm going to Red Robin instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to... Oh, hey there, Harrison. It's great to see you, BFF. It's great to see you too, Twilight Sparkle the Tank Engine. So, what have you been up to? Well, I'm trying to get myself some jobs so I can earn some money to buy you a cabinet to keep more of your collectibles in. Wow, that's brilliant. Anyways, I'm only here for a double bacon cheeseburger. There you go. You can take it for free. Wow. Thank you, BFF. You're welcome. Enjoy your free food. Welcome to...
Hey, aren't you that same guy I fired back at Five Guys?
No, that must have been a different person.
Oh, okay then. Anyways, I would like to have 8-piece chicken strips, medium onion rings, and a large Sprite.
I'm terribly sorry, but we're currently out of onion rings at the moment.
Oh, no, you're not. I can see some onion rings in the kitchen.
Does it look like I care? No. Now get out of here right now.
That's it. I'm going to McDonald's instead, and I hope that I don't see you again.
Oh, you know what? I've just had enough of this job. I'm going to go and get my next job at PetSmart. So I hope to see you all then.